How you going, guys? With Geoff from Wild Game Innovations Australia. I'm just going to run you through setting up your blazer handle after we modify the handle. This is a big night eater, for example. We put these parts in, so when you undo this bolt, I'll show you, give you a good look in here. So we have a spring wash, M10 spring washer underneath, then the angle line washer, and then the custom washer on top, and that's how it sits, guys. Like, you can put a flathead screwdriver to stop it from spinning. The best way to fit this system is put the handle through the roof, slide your rubber boot under there so that's running on that washer, and then put an M10 bolt and a nut in like so, and then put the spring washer down, then the angle washer, the plate, the custom washer on top facing like that. You want the large flattest area up against that oval hole, and the easiest way is to hold a spanner on it like so and get someone from the inside of the cab to do it up here tight, so that as you're trying to turn this, if you do it up top, as you turn this, all this stuff moves. So you can hold it like so, do it up tight, crack that, get two spanners, crack that loose, pull that bolt out, and then if you got a WGIA quick release mount, spotlight handle quick release mount, you can just go like so, spring washer straight into the bottom of the handle. Do that up tight, guys. And then that's a demo of how you do it on here. You don't want the bolt sticking up too far. You just extra M10 nut, spring washer underneath, and do that up and get that. You can get that straight on the bench before you clip it onto your remote. And away you go, guys. To make sure your light hinges on properly, you can test it before you do it. So as you can see, that fits good. If it doesn't fit, doesn't line up, you may have to slide the base plate either direction before you do that up, before you do the bolt up, so that it all goes on. And the name of the game is so when it goes on, that these two bolts are touching. That bolt and the stem of the handle are touching. That's to get the correct balance. Too easy, guys. Thank you.